Hello everyone, Morgan from MRX Networks. We are now on day 12 of this exciting home cinema build here in Cape Town. And as you can see, there is a significant improvement in the appearance of this room. We have had the carpet installed today. We have worked on getting all of the Velcro that adheres our acoustic panels to the walls. That's all up. We have our fabric finally in the room now that this room is completely clean. So all we simply need to do now is wrap all of our acoustic panels, wrap all of our wall panels, and actually install them. Beyond that, we have also installed all of the speakers for a temporary test. Wanted to make sure that all of our speaker cables are in good condition. Our HDMI cable to the television is working and delivering 4K HDR picture from our AVR, and just generally run through all of our different scenarios to make sure that everything is ready so that we can install the panels and have peace of mind that we're not going to need to remove some of our panels to troubleshoot an issue. So massively successful week. Very excited to just wrap the last panels, wrap the wall structures and the ceiling structures and get them installed so we can hand over this project on Tuesday. So keep an eye out for the next video. Hopefully we should have some panels up, particularly in the front for our screen wall. We'll definitely have our acoustic panels up, and then it's just simply the case of installing the wall panels and the ceiling panels for completion. So very excited with how this week has gone and very happy with the progress.